3 reasons why James Hardie Board Batten may be the right choice for your home. Let's talk about it. So this is the front portion of the house, right? Rewind everything back. About 2 months and a half, windows were ordered. They're Marvin Elevate windows, right? So he went with a black window on the outside and white pre-finish on the inside. And then he said, I want my home to look farmhousey, right? So he wants vertical lines. So reason number 1, right, that people will go with the board and batten look is because it has a lot of vertical lines and it makes your house look taller. Also, it makes it look newer, and then it has a farmhouse look as well. In the front of this house, it looks like a ranch home, but as you start walking to the right and walking to the left of the home, you'll see it's a 2-story home and it's really taller. So the client wanted to still have that farmhousey look, but on the outside of the house, you'll see a lot of more vertical lines to make the house look taller. So let me show you what this side looks like. So reason number 1 was that now we have a lot of vertical lines and makes your house look taller, right? So the board and batten is installed. Also, we added a small little finish. Before I get into reason number 2, this is a wood tone soffit. Now this wood tone soffit, it mimics everything like a real wood, but it's a fiber cement siding. So it's not gonna expand, it's not gonna contract. You don't have to worry about woodpeckers. Now, behind the soffit, there are actually hi-hat lighting there. So the electrician is gonna make the holes, and then he's gonna drop the lighting and then install the lights, right? Reason number 2 why James Hardie Board and Batten is the right choice for you is, it's in the name, James Hardie. It's a fiber cement siding. It's not like a wood cladding, right? Because wood cladding, we already know it's gonna rot. It's high maintenance, and you have to always worry about termites and carpenter ants and woodpeckers, right? With this product, you don't have to worry about it. Now, remember guys, number 2 reason is it has a pre-finish that will last you 15 years. So you don't have to paint this siding for the next 15 years. And if you look at statistics, people know that kind of every 15 to 20 years, people change their siding. So right around 15 years, you can probably change your siding or you can paint it again. And reason number 3 why James Hardie Board and Batten siding is right for you is affordability. You're like, Junior, you're cuckoo. James Hardie is expensive. Vinyl siding is less expensive. But if you look in between vinyl siding and James Hardie siding, and then you have wood siding that's almost exactly like James Hardie or more for cedar, right? The affordability is always gonna be higher. Why? Because now you don't have to paint your house every 7 to 10 years. You don't have to get an exterminator, right? To take care of the pests, the carpenter ants, the carpenter bees, the termites, or woodpeckers, right? And so the affordability is one price up front, you pay it all, and then it'll last you 15 to 20 years. Now, remember, the product will last you 30 years. The Color Plus technology lasts you for 15 years. So overall, when you do the numbers, it's gonna be more affordable in the longer run, especially if you're gonna stay in your house 15 to 20 years long. You know, I was speaking to my camera guy today, right? And he says, you know, there's what's the name of the coat? Espera un segundito, ¿cómo se llama el coat? Canada Goose. So I was speaking to my producer today, and we was speaking about Canada Goose coats, right? And a good Canada Goose coat is gonna cost you $1,100 to $3,000, right? And a regular coat is gonna cost you $150 to $200. But every year you're gonna buy a coat for the next 10 years. With the Canada Goose, you buy it once and it'll last you 10 or 15 years. And that investment is actually more affordable than buying $200 coats every year or every other year, because it doesn't keep you warm or you waste it or you wear and tear more than it's a premium coat, right? So James Hardie is a premium product. We know. Is it a little bit more expensive? It is. But affordability is in there in the long term. So stay tuned for the finished product. We should be done in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And we're definitely gonna be excited showing you our new project next week in Staten Island, which is gonna be also James Hardie Board and Batten, but we're gonna be installing something different behind it. Keep watching.